So the Air Jordan 1 in the taxi colorway just dropped, and the question on everybody's mind is, are these shoes worth it? Should I buy them or should I hold off? In today's video, we're going to be diving into the Air Jordan 1 in the taxi colorway. I'm going to give you guys 5 pros and cons, and I have a little special announcement at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. Let's waste no time and dive right into this. So on September 26, 2022, the Air Jordan 1 in the taxi colorway finally dropped for a retail price of $180. Those of you keeping up with the channel saw the drop details vid I did a while back, and you knew, gosh, every video I'm always dropping a pair of sneakers, but you guys knew that I was very excited for these. And if you were in the live stream, you heard me talking about trying to double up. Did I double up? I'll answer that question in a minute. But let's go ahead and look at this box. Primarily yellow, we get the black Nike logo. I'll give you guys a look at that size tag right there. Getting into it, we can pop off the lid, get some white paper, and voila, here we have them, the Air Jordan 1 in the taxi colorway. These were really hyped up because people were hoping that these would receive the same leather treatment as the Air Jordan 1 in the shattered backboard colorways that released on June 27th, 2015. But I can tell you now, and if you ask other sneakerheads, they will tell you the quality is not the same. Now the price increased from $170 to $180. The shattered backboards were retailed at $160, but the leather quality on the taxis did not improve. Now let's go ahead and get into 5 things I like about this shoe and 5 things I dislike about this shoe. I think the first con for everyone is the price increase. It went from $170 to $180. The first pro I like about these shoes, that colorway is sick. Second con, it only came with 1 pair of laces. I would have loved to see a white pair of laces and a yellow pair of laces come with the shoe. I felt like it could have pulled things together and allowed for customization of the shoe. Second pro, ROI. If you're someone who likes ROI, these are definitely good. Now, are these probably as good as Chicago / Lost and Found that we will see later this year? Probably not, but this ROI is still probably not going to be bad. Next pro, for those of you who have artistic abilities, is that you can customize these to look like a bunch of other shoes, including the highly sought after shattered backboard ones. Now for the leather, I could really put it in a con and a pro. Why? The leather isn't amazing, right? These shoes are $180, but on the Reebok question, the leather quality is amazing, and I believe this shoe was only $140 or $150, which if Reebok can do it, Nike can definitely do it. But I won't knock Nike because I definitely feel like they could have gave us worse. So I'll put leather quality in the pro section and the con section. Now the next con really applies to all Air Jordan 1s, but personally, I don't think they're the most comfortable shoe out there. So if you're out and about all day wearing these, your feet are probably going to hurt at the end of the day. The last con I want to include is that this Air Jordan 1 midsole is very prone to some harsh scuffing, and when the shoe does scuff, it's pretty hard to get the scuffs out. This is Cody's pair. He loves the shoe. He's already started to wear it, but you can see that this midsole is already getting very dirty very fast. So yeah, that's the last con I want to include. And for the last pro, those of us who can't afford the Shine Down Attention PE or missed out on the yellow ochre one, finally get another clean yellow Air Jordan 1. And that's something to be pretty excited about. And that's why I went ahead and copped 2. And hopefully that helped you decide if you want to cop or not. Now for the little announcement. So, I decided the next giveaway is going to be at 1,500 subs. Now you may be wondering, what am I giving away? I'm going to pick 3 winners to get, and if you follow Kicked Out LV, you've probably seen these before, but 3 vintage style tees that I have posted up on Kicked Out LV. If you win, you could pick this tee, or maybe you like this one. If you watch the Mike Tyson documentary, you may like this one. Someone who likes old band tees, we got those. Sublime, Pink Floyd, we got Led Zeppelin, Blink-182, a lot of the tees are falling, Deftones, but basically any tee that I have posted up on Kicked Out LV, the 3 winners will be able to choose from them. It's not an international raffle. You can only enter if you are in the contiguous United States. We have another mystery unboxing that if you tune into the next video, you will be able to find out what's in the box. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit that sub button and that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching from Las Vegas. This is Jordan. Oh god, that was terrible. we'll just end it right there. To announce. Alrighty, or if you're so wow, I just cut myself on that. Whew. Gotta get back to this roof. Wow, near that toe box that are gonna be pretty hard to take out. You can definitely get it out.